Irene!
You telling me before that I'm not beautiful outside, and where now you're telling me that.
But how
Oh,
come
come on,
you're
you're
beautiful
just misjudging me.
that you're beautiful inside?
I mean, you just accept the fact. You just accept the fact.
That you're more knowledge than me. But
More knowledge? Is that great?
You know,
That's wrong grammar. More knowledge. Wow. You mean more knowledgeable? That's what you mean?
oh no, wait, right now.
How about, hey, how about you? What can you say? I bullshit.
Special kasi yan. Try lang.
Hoy, manood ka ng Tuwing Bulilit every Sunday pagkatapos
Come
ng
on.
dabas.
More knowledge.
Oh, day.
More knowledgeable. Just to be correct, man.
Oh, men. Men ka?
Then, if you said na wala kang pakialam, then why are you fighting with me, arguing with
Okay,
me?
donation,
Any
donation.
reason, any sense?
Donation na, donation.
Because you're arguing with this so.
I vlog. You've done it first.
Oh,
You've
but
done it
Chingo,
first. So
donation.
why are you now just go away, walk out?
Pag di madala sa
and
Toriana,
say,
bigyan na
tama
yun
ka,
na.
okay, tama ka, ganun na lang.
Kung hindi madala sa Santos, salan. Gawin sa... Di ba, Carb, no? Atik naman, ano?
Gusto ako na vlog ko eh.
Lagi,